Okay, so let's see if I can find them here for you.
It was known as the Slave Code, a system of laws and punishments which would become the model for slavery in America.
This volume makes it very clear that Africans were property, they were not individual human beings. And the question might occur, why were laws needed? Well, a very simple situation occurs where within 20 years of the establishment of a sugar economy in the island, the enslaved population outnumbered in a very significant way the white plantocracy. And they felt the need for a certain level of control.
Shortly after getting into the colony, you see change over time where the majority of the population are people of African descent. And so these English colonists are controlling their property. So they create these slave codes that dictate status, limits of freedom, what types of abuses can be imparted upon people of African descent if they attempt to run away or if they are seen as unruly.
If any Negro or slave whatsoever shall offer any violence to any Christian by striking or the like, such Negro or slave shall for his or her first offense be severely whipped by the constable. For a second offense of that nature, he shall be severely whipped, his nose slit, and be burned in some part of his face with a hot iron.